at the track again. Let's see if this beta Rev3 starts. It always floods. I don't know whether it's the petcock that's leaking, but anyways, it's usually about 15 kicks. I'm going to try it on the choke first, one kick. If it doesn't start, then I'll just open the throttle fully and see if I can start it that way. Anyways, I usually work up a huge sweat trying to do that. Nope. Okay, so it was completely flooded again. You can see a puddle of fuel below it every time. But anyways, full throttle, couple of kicks, it always starts. Once it's warmed up, it's obviously fine. So we're going to do a bit of wheelie practice again. This is my third time out. And yeah, last time I got it up a little bit higher, leaning back a bit further, because the first time I was pulling myself forward because I'm scared I'm going to flip over. But I'm just going to practice covering that rear brake and leaning it back a bit, and maybe see if I can get it a second or third blip of throttle to just keep that end up. But I'm totally new to this, so I don't know what I'm doing. So if you have any tips, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Cheers, man. it was fun. I ran out of fuel just as I came up this hill. I wanted to take the little uphill there from the top, or photograph or video it from the top, but the bike's out of fuel now. So we'll be back for more fun next time. Please, if you like this, consider subscribing, and I'll check you next time either on the Trials bike, the big ass Honda XR650L, or even the little MR50 Yamaha. Cheers!